everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to sew on a button. It's super easy, especially for beginning sewer and you're just getting comfortable using a needle and thread. This is like the perfect first project. So what we're going to learn on is this 1950s jacket. It's actually a two-piece and I purchased this at Crash the Party Vintage. If you're ever in the LA area, it's like my favorite vintage store. They have deals all the time, and I think I bought this one for like $10, like something crazy for a 1950s suit. And only because it was missing some buttons. I'm going to show you that it's going to be a super easy fix, so the next time you come across something that's missing a button, you're going to know how to fix it. And it's going to look way more expensive than, you know, $10, but you and me know that, like the world doesn't have to know. So let's get started. These are the buttons we'll be using today. They are vintage. They were actually given, let's see if it focuses. Where are you? There we go. These are the buttons we're going to be using. They were given to me by my grandma. My grandma just recently passed away, and right before she gave me a lot of her sewing accessories because she used to sew, and I thought it'd be perfect to add to the jacket. It's like a way of having like a little piece of her with me. So aren't they pretty? Okay, so you're going to need a pair of scissors, any kind as long as they're sharp, a matching thread. I picked this navy to go with the jacket. And then you're going to need a needle and thread, of course. Just make sure you double knot the thread at the end. Once you have all your tools, you will grab your button that you'll be using, and that you notice in the back there is a circle, a hole where you're going to pierce the needle and thread through. So first you will pierce the needle through where you want the button, all the way until the knot hits where you want it placed. Then once you go in a second time, you grab your button and you go through the opening, and then you pull the string all the way tight to where you want the button placed. And you're going to want to repeat the process. You're going to grab a piece of the surface of the fabric and go through the buttonhole. And then just be careful that the string might knot up. Just go slowly. Don't worry, this happens to me all the time. The slower the better. And you're going to want to repeat this process at least 5 times, going through the top and bottom of where the button is. And once you're finished, you're going to want to tie a knot. What I do is grab a piece of fabric, and right before it, I pull it all the way tight where it still has a little loop. You put your needle through the loop and that creates a knot, and then you're finished. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please hit that like and subscribe button because I make videos every week.